Namaskar, welcome in Vichar Ganga. Today's topic is worry free life. While walking on the path of life's journey, we mainly suffer from anxiety. When we get caught in this worries chakravyuh, we don't even know, and when it is known, it has become so widespread that it seems difficult to emerge from it. We can get stuck in this view at any time. It has no age. Small, big, rich, poor, intelligent fools can all fall prey to it. Mainly those who are more opportune get more involved in it. Example, a smart student who has to come first in the examination and an average student who has to come first in the examination. Both make beautiful policies and give the examination. Result of the exam comes. If an average student doesn't come first, then surely he will consider it from some time and make a new policy and move forward. But if an intelligent student doesn't come first in the examination with good result, then from that very moment he will start getting worried. He will try to leave, but anxiety will overwhelm him. And again he will find his fault. A day will come when he will see only the shortcomings in himself and he will be completely broken. Similarly, we all are. So, it is probably appropriate that we must find out shortcomings. But it is not proper to find the shortcomings and dwell on the past continuously. Here, somewhere, like an average student, you have to accept those shortcomings and move forward. By constantly meditating on a sad event, it can't become a giver of happiness. But in order to create happiness, we can definitely think about future policies while leaving worry so that such incident don't happen again in future. But you are finding yourself in the middle of Chakravyuh right now, then try to step back from it slowly. Establish some beautiful causes in your heart and contemplate it. Anxiety strike it with some pleasant reason and be patient because it won't go away immediately. Just as you have come slowly in the middle of this view with 99 steps, in the same way, slowly step back by 99 steps and you can go out of it. And there is beautiful couplet too. धीरे धीरे रे मना धीरे सब कुछ होए माली सींचे सौ घड़ा ऋतु आए फल होए. That is no matter how much the gardener may irrigate the trees, but only when the season comes, the tree will bear fruits. In the same way, when you keep trying continuously, then a strong environment will be created, and as soon as this atmosphere is created, you will automatically be free from it. Thank you.